Welcome to data mining and warehousing session. Today we are going to see in detail about data mining and warehousing. Extracting knowledge from the large database system. Pattern evaluation and knowledge presentation in transformation, removing redundant patterns and etc. Alternative names for knowledge discovery, mining in databases, and KDD, knowledge discovery databases. The KDD process is included for data cleaning, data integration, warehousing process, selection, and task relevant data mining process. The data cleaning and integration connected for data warehouse. The task relevant is included for pattern evaluation. The final stage is for knowledge discovery database system. The data mining architecture, the database and the data warehouse included connected for the graphical user interface, that is called GUI. Two-way processing for database or data warehouse server. The data mining engine and the pattern evaluation for data mining architecture. Major issues in data mining. Mining methodology and user interaction for the major issues in data mining. Mining different kinds of knowledge in databases. Interactive mining of knowledge at multiple levels of abstraction. Incorporation of background knowledge. Data mining, query languages, and ad hoc data mining system. Expression and visualization of data mining results. Handling noisy and incomplete data. And the next one, data warehouse. The data warehouse is a subject oriented, integrated, time variant, and non volatile collection of data in the support of management decision making process. The first one is the subject oriented. The subject oriented organized around major subjects such as customer, product, and sales. It is focused for modeling and analysis of data decision makings, not on daily operations or transaction process. It provides simple and concise view around particular subject issues by including data that are not useful in decision support process. The second way of integrated process constructed by integrating multiple heterogeneous data resources, that is called relational databases, flat files, online transaction records. The data cleaning and data integration techniques are applied for naming convention, encoding structures, attributes meshes. That is example for hotel price, currency, tax, breakfast covered for, etc. Then third one, time variant. The time variant data warehouse is operational database, current value data. The second one, data warehouse data provide information from a historical representative. For example, fast 5 to 10 years data, current and historical data. That is called time variant process. And the last one is the non-volatile data. Physically separate store of data transformed from operational environment. The operational update of data does not occur in the data warehouse environment. Recurs only two operations in data access: initial loading of data and access of data. That is called as data warehousing. Data warehouse architecture. Generally, data warehouse adopt three-tier architecture. The first one is the bottom tier, second one middle tier, third one top tier. The top tier, middle tier, and bottom tier concluded for the different categories top tier. This tier is the front-end client layer. This layer hold query tools and reporting tools, analyze tools, and the data mining tools. The second one is the bottom tier. The bottom tier of architecture is the data warehouse database server. It is the relational database system. The next one for middle tier. In the middle tier, we have the OLAP server that can be implemented either the following ways: RLOP, Relational Online Analytical Process, that is Relational Database Management System. The architecture mainly focused for architecture. The base data is collected for operational databases and external resources. Another one process for data mart. The cleaning process, extracting knowledge from the large database system. The first process, extracting, cleaning, transformation, loading and refreshing for the base station. And bottom tier of data warehouse server, it include for monitoring, administration, data warehouse and data mart process. The middle tier OLAP server, it include for online analytical process engine. There are output for the middle tier process. The final stage top tier, that is called front end tools. The query or report for final stage and analyze for the different data mining process. The modeling of data warehouse. The modeling data warehouse dimensions and measures. The first one, star schema, Snowflake schema, and fact consultation. Star schema, a fact table in the middle connected to a set of dimension table. Snowflake schema, the refinement of star schema where some dimension hierarchy is normalized into a set of smaller dimension tables. It forming the shape similar to Snowflake. The fact consultation, the multiple fact tables dimension table, it viewed for the collection of stars, therefore called Galaxy schema or fact consultation. Three-tier data warehouse models. First one, enterprises warehouse. Second one, data mart. Third one, virtual data warehousing. The enterprises warehouse, information about subject spanning the entire organization. Second one, data mart, it provide data that is the value to a specific group of user. The specific selected group such as marketing. Data mart, independent versus dependent, that is called as directly from warehouse data mart. Third, virtual warehouse, a set of views over operational databases. Only some of the possible summary views may be materialized. Thank you.